Kmart Australia is a leading discount department store chain, renowned for offering a wide range of affordable products across Australia and New Zealand. Established in 1969 with its first store in Burwood East, Victoria, Kmart has grown to operate over 320 stores, serving millions of customers with its commitment to low prices for life. Flybuys is one of Australia's most popular loyalty programs, allowing members to earn points on everyday purchases and redeem them for a variety of rewards. Points are typically earned at a rate of 1 point per $1 spent. Convert 2,000 points into $10 Flybuys dollars to get money off your shop at Coles, Kmart, Target, Liquorland, and Coles Express. Coles, Kmart, Target, Liquorland, Office Works, and Bunnings Warehouse, Coles Express for fuel. Catch.com.au, My Car Tire Auto and Optus, HCF Insurance, Clean Heat, and Velocity Frequent Flyer. Kmart provides an extensive selection of products, including homewares, furniture, electronics technology, clothing, footwear for all ages, toys, games, beauty, personal care, sports outdoor equipment, pet supplies, book stationery, party supplies, gifts. The retailer is known for its Anko brand, which offers stylish and affordable products across various categories. Online shopping services. Customers can shop online through the Kmart Australia website, which offers click collect services, home delivery options, access to the latest catalogs and promotions, store locator to find the nearest Kmart outlet. Kmart's commitment to providing low prices without compromising on style has been pivotal to its success. The introduction of its in-house brand, Anko, has allowed Kmart to offer a wide range of products, from homewares to clothing, that are both fashionable and budget-friendly. This strategy has resonated with consumers, leading to a significant increase in sales and market share. Kmart's pricing strategy focuses on offering everyday low prices rather than relying on frequent sales or discounts. This approach provides customers with consistent value, eliminating the need to wait for special promotions. The retailer has streamlined its product offerings, reducing the range to focus on items that meet customer needs effectively. This strategy allows Kmart to maintain low prices while ensuring product quality. Kmart frequently updates its catalogs with new promotions across various categories, including homewares, clothing, electronics, and toys. To view the most recent deals, you can visit the Kmart Australia catalog page. These catalogs showcase the latest discounts and special offers available both in-store and online. To ensure you don't miss out on future promotions, consider regularly checking the Kmart catalog for the latest deals, subscribing to Kmart's newsletter for updates on upcoming sales and exclusive offers, following Kmart Australia on social media platforms for real-time announcements and promotions. Kmart occasionally launches clearance sales with significant discounts on various items. For example, a massive clearance sale featured prices starting from 10 cents, with substantial reductions on big-ticket items like wardrobes and appliances, clothing accessories, women's, men's kids apparel, casual wear, activewear, and sleepwear, Kmart footwear, shoes, sandals, and boots for all ages, accessories, bags, hats, and jewelry. Home living, furniture, beds, sofas, desks, and storage solutions. Home decor, rugs, cushions, candles, and wall art. Kitchenware, cookware, utensils, and small appliances like air fryers and kettles. Bedding, quilts, sheets and pillows. Bathroom essentials, towels, mats, and storage units. Kmart's cookware range includes non-stick fry pans, saucepans, and casserole dishes. Notably, Their 24cm non-stick casserole cookware is popular for its affordability and performance. From basic utensil sets to specialized gadgets, Kmart provides tools to simplify food preparation. Their kitchen utensils are designed for durability and ease of use. It offers a wide array of affordable and stylish storage solutions for both bathroom and general home organization. Here's a selection of products that can help you declutter and enhance your living spaces. These products reflect Kmart's commitment to providing practical and stylish storage solutions at affordable prices. Kmart has options to suit various needs and preferences.